guess they'll never learn. Every time I break, there's just more pain to burn. They'll never, never, never learn. Till the battle's won, still kingdom come. Let's do it, loyalty. 'Cause I'm taking the world to see. They'll be calling me, calling me. They'll be calling me royalty. Let's do it, loyalty. 'Cause I'm taking the world to see. They'll be They'll be calling me royalty. They'll be calling me royalty. They'll be calling me royalty. Here we go.
I see the light inside you, brighter than the skies. Hold on, just let us escape and fly away tonight.
There's so many things that I keep in my mind. Like a past, there's a reason why we live. All the emotions I built up inside you.
Got enough of every melody, they all sound the same. From my broken heart, no remedy, but maybe if you stay, we can get away with it. No, 'cause I'm feeling so
Be strong to hold the powers of the sun. Turn
sure to like to share your opinions, talking big like somebody's listening. Nobody's listening. It's so fun and games until it isn't. Trust me, hit the ignition. Are you listening? As long as it's with.
So what am I leaving? And your body was so magnetic. Before I knew it, we talked and you think about you as a cocktail. I cried for you. Tell me why you left me bleeding. Tell me why you left me bleeding.
So that you and I have somewhere else to go. I gave you all I ever had, and
Every time I fall in it deep, and I can't fight it, I can't fight it. You hurt my mind, I'm losing my sleep. And you know that it's all that I need.
Close your eyes.
It's reckless, but I don't care. You're dangerous like goals and I keep going on. You keep me fading, and I don't care. 'Cause I want everything that I've been running from.
Yo, Chad, what's going on, baby? Welcome back to Wall Street Sessions. It's the last one for the week. As you know, we are going to ramp things up. I hope you guys are ready for it. I think we're in for a little good one today. We're going to be testing the revised T2 2.0. So you guys don't want to miss that. But before we get into all the good stuff, Chris, how you feeling, bro?
Feeling good. So we going live on the big satchel strat now. So it's been the T2, it's been the firecracker. This is now officially the big satchel strat. Can we call it the big satchel?
Is it becoming the big satchel now? All right, the big satchel. Hey.
Chad, but before we start, I just want to share that reel. I feel like this, in terms of creativity,
It's a dope reel.
this is one of our better reels, and I want you guys to please go and watch it quickly. We're gonna pray shortly. I just want you guys to watch it till the end, because it's the end for me. That is the go check it quickly there. Go check it, but yeah, Kiggs, I think we can proceed.
Yeah, I think before everyone even runs away, I think we're gonna do that. My man fiddling with equipment here again. But before we get into all the good stuff, guys, you see again fundamentals, what the markets are doing. As always, you know, for the last time this week, Chris, you're gonna open us up with prayer, brother.
I will. Guys, let's quickly pray here. Father, we just want to thank you for today. Thank you for another day, blessing us with the ability. Thank you for each and every member here. Lord, we just want to bring the end of this week to glorify. You're not asking anything, but just to say thank you for an awesome week. We pray that you will bring each and every one of us back safely on Monday. May this last session of the week be a solid one. May it be one where we can honestly just give our best, because that is at the end of the day what we want to do. And may we glorify your name. Very, very simple prayer, Father. That's what we pray, not because we deserve it, but as always, just purely because of your grace and of your mercies. In Jesus' name, amen.
Amen. There we go. All right, guys. Feeling good. Let's see how we can ramp it up one last time for the weekend. I think everyone there, once you guys have gone and checked out the new update on the next press conference, you guys can let us know your thoughts there. But until that, we are going to start diving in here already, guys. Look here, fundamentals, what is happening on the charts. So again, nothing really to worry about today, guys. Obviously, GDP at retail sales this morning, and then pretty much clear sailing. Building permits coming out, a bit of a drop there. And obviously, consumer sentiment, going to be looking at that at about 4 o'clock, but nothing I'm too worried about. So we'll just see what happens from there. But let's go over to the charts then. So very, very simple. We are going to do now. Let's see what's happening here. So very, very much, let's start with the dollar. Dollar going down bearish. Remember, we spoke about this morning. I said we were neutral. Again, very, very simple. If you guys were in the London session, I said to you two things we were going to try and get. Yeah, once you broke below, it was a case of trying to get back above the weekly pivot. And if we couldn't even do that, very good chance we were coming down. And I said to you, even though the 200 was here, I said to you guys, good chance we are breaking below. So that bearish momentum coming through. And personally, I like to see it really waterfall all the way back down. So we got a key level down here, 101,500. And again, previous daily lows. Even if we get back to about the weekly S1, things like this, I'm pretty happy with that. Then go over to indices. We're going to see you guys, again, very, very simple. We spoke about this morning. If you guys are in my group from the Ultimate Trader, if you guys don't catch these trades, again, I can't do it for you. I can't trade for you. I don't know what else you guys want me to do. Again, even Chris can tell you. Chris would know exactly where to take these trades and how to have made money here today. So very, very simple. But we're seeing those big breakdowns all the way to the downside there. So again, break of the Asia lows after the one bullish momentum run this morning. The break, retest. Again, once under previous daily highs, break of Asia lows that were untested all the way down. Obviously, we'll pull back now. We could see a possible continuation down to the EQ. And again, the 200 before any type of reversal. Very, very simply, we know we can see this because if we talk about a Friday, we don't like the week close on the full. So as much as we are bullish, it is Friday. We want to anticipate that little bit of a pullback. Going over to US30, again, guys, the same thing. Again, I can't make you guys trade. I can't do it for you, but very, very simple. We are now trading back down. Again, there's your fake out of the day. Break back in the retest, hold the retest, Asia lows untested, the break of Asia lows, and again, running. You guys exactly know where you'd go. Obviously, monthly pivot is a first test. You've now got the weekly R2 over here. And then again, your daily pivot EK underneath you. So we can even look for a continuation break. Otherwise, a pullback now. Because the thing is, remember, we said we wanted these pullbacks. We could now, if we are going to go bullish, allow for that big bullish run before either coming back, or we can also do this of case of breaking back up to retest Asia lows that weren't tested. And then it's a case of coming back down after that. Then we're going to go over to gold. Lastly, gold having a massive, massive run here today. No fundamentals, no reasons. So you guys already know what I'm going to say. I don't like it. I don't like trading something where I don't know why it's moving. If I don't understand something, I don't like it. So again, we have the breaks above here, breaking the next level of resistance, and the next holding them as support, weekly R1 all the way up to the daily R2. Now we always talk about that move. So obviously, if this can get above, very, very simple, we can look at that continuation move to the daily R3. But for me, again, 2,500, you guys are starting to approach these all-time highs. We always talk about this. Chris knows it as well. And Chris will probably tell you the same thing. Well, he mentions it all the time. Again, once you break, you want to buy the first pullback. So if we get any type of pullback back to the previous daily high, this weekly R1, which hasn't been tested, we can look to go long after that. Otherwise, this thing, as I say, purely because it is a big move, I don't trust the move. If we do fail at any of these key levels, that's when I'll start looking for the sell to get back in it. But that is everything from my side. Over to you, Chris.
Shot. All right. Peter, just to get to you, I didn't take it. If you didn't see, I was actually busy with the podcast, so I didn't get the buy stops. The guys know I always preach about the all-time highs being broken. So if you caught it, guys, beautiful. Well done. I just want to check here quickly. Give me 1 second. Give me 1 second, Keek. Sorry, guys. Just want to sort this out. All right, guys. So I always preach the all-time high buy. If you go here, Let me just go back. Where was the all-time high now? Daily. All right. There was an all-time high. Let's just put it there. So you guys know if there's a substantial amount of time that has passed before we go to those all-time highs, then we expect once price breaks, almost like a liquidity sweep. There's going to be a lot of stops there, and price usually gives you a 50 to 100 per pump. All right, so I'm not saying we're going to all of a sudden reverse here. If you consider, even though we took a sell on the most strat this morning, I told you guys we are effectively still bullish on the day. We're bullish on the week as well. We spoke about it going into this week. We closed above this previous breakout area. And I was expecting this week to actually do this move. I actually expected it to happen during CPI, not on a Friday where there's no major fundamental news. Okay, so we've pushed up. Now the question is, as Keegan also says, how do we get involved now with this? Big question is, where can we get in? There's the all-time highs. You can use that as a potential support area because that is where price previously decided to reverse from the all-time high. So it's a significant level. You can't just ignore this level. This level is going to be critical going into the zone. And ideally, if we hold this all-time high level, we can go again for the all-time highs now, the new all-time highs. Okay, you're not going to try and buy this break again because then you might get clapped up here. You want to buy the pullback and retarget those highs, all right? So we're going to wait for the pullback. US 30. Let's look at US 30. Daily for me is still bullish. I told you guys. Monthly pivot there. First 2 weeks of the month, we are now trading back above it. If we can hold it, very, very simple. We're going to this next flat body resistance area. I'm expecting a flat day, purely based on, you can see here that as soon as we've got some big volume days, we do tend to pull back, and I'm expecting a potential flat day today. Not that I'm not expecting volume, but we are looking at buys. Keegs, am I right?
What are we looking at? For the new one. Yeah, bars today. Yeah, it's bars.
Chad. This morning, the guys that have traded with Keegs, I don't know, they call it the A, B, C, D, E strat, but you guys would have traded from Asia highs back to Asia lows. But now, monthly pivot, 80 is starting to cool a little bit. We're going to see what we can get here. Monthly pivot, that's where we shorted yesterday, Chad. Believe it or not, that is where we shorted. Was it the monthly pivot, Keegs? Yesterday. Yeah. We shorted from the monthly pivot yesterday. So today, are we going to buy from it? Yesterday, we shorted from there, got a nice bag of pips. Now, today, are we buying up from it? It may seem that way. All right. Yesterday, the sells. Today, the buys. Beautiful. NASDAQ. Daily, let's look at it. I mentioned to you guys earlier that this is earlier on the day. This is quite a critical zone. NASDAQ's going to need to make a decision here. Previous daily I had taken weekly R2, end of the week, looking at the weekly candle. Are we going to pull back or are we going to actually push up? All right, we were bullish on the week. 5 minute, alrighty. A previous daily high. Asia lows, weekly R2. This thing has already extended. Is this the pullback happening now? I'm going to say this is your zone to monitor. And then gold, you guys know what we are looking for. I just want to get a gold chart up here. Let me just bring this across. Let me just do this quickly. Swing setups. All right. Let me just do this quickly. Oof, what am I doing? Okay, there's the grid. There's the all-time highs. So let's see if we can get some of this bullishness into the tail end here of the day. Hopefully we can trade around this zone at the open. But I think we're going to have quite a nice trade on the cracker. So, Chad, that's me. Simple. Selective.
Hey, there we go. So yeah, guys, 7 minutes. We're going to be live testing the new, I'm going to say new outlook of the strat, seeing how it can come to play. But very excited to see what it can do here. Glad to see the guys are enjoying the video, the press conference.
Alrighty, last one for the week. Let's bang it out. Chat, how's everyone feeling? Keegs are ready to ramp.
I'm ready, bro. We've just been getting started.
Sheesh. Alright. Okay, so we're buying today. Dude, I think I like the buys. Keegs, now looking at the buys, are we waiting now for it to break back to the lower range, eh?
Technically no, because it
How do
already
we-
has. So now the area we obviously want to buy, and we want to buy to that area. And
Wait, I want to just mute you. Sorry, chat.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust.
Okay, I'm happy. Alrighty, Chad, Adonia, baby. We are ready, just contemplating some. Yeah, Chad, and then a big shout out to Andy, making time today for us to join us on the pod. It was very awesome of him. He's been, I think, for the last month, literally. He's traveled almost, I think, 10,000 kilometers across the US. So for him to take time out of his day, man, slept 3 hours. He actually sent me a message afterwards and it's like, dude, do apologize if I wasn't on my best. I've only had like 2.5 hours sleep. And but we're going to have him on again, Chad. Was a lovely podcast. Thanks, Lyndon. Yeah, Eti, just an awesome guy. Andy, very humble. That's why he doesn't necessarily like when I'm like, Andy, dude, thanks so much. I think you're a legend. And he's like, no, I'm not a legend. I'm like, no, but you are actually somewhat of a legend. So big shout out to Andy. You can catch his vibe through the screen. Hey man, Lennon, the guy's just a ledge. I respect but I hate when you guys discuss something away from chat. My curiosity can't deal.
who's this?
No, battery guy. Hey man, we gotta keep it interesting. You know, it's just looked like I wanted to distribute bullish in New York. US 30 a buy, yes. Sheesh. This is effectively now still R&D. It's gone from a strat that we felt good with to yesterday. All of a sudden, we're adding back some R&D. So, Chad, please, just a disclaimer. Please note this is not financial advice. Please seek advice from your financial advisor before making any financial decision. You will lose money if you follow what we do on these streams. These streams are purely for educational and entertainment purposes only, but we still love you even if it's for entertainment.
You know, there's that moment. It's like, bro, we loved R&D so much, we created another one just so we can carry on being R&D.
Ah. And he is a legend, has nothing but positive words. Amen, Jared. The way he broke down Keys, I thought I was the only one who heard that, but my father drilled that into my head. Yeah, even with trading, keep it simple, stupid. From what level is that pivot point? Sell side liquidity, the airport voice. Yo, DH, we gotta pull it back. Damn, Chris, jy nou klink soos 'n pilot.
Right. Yo, bro, this is gonna be fun.
I like it.
No, I do like it as well. If you think of it, it's very close to the EQ strat now.
Yeah.
It literally works with the EQ strat, in a way.
Keeks, now my thing is, now we're gonna wait for that other break down lower, or we're gonna wait for it to first. Okay, wait. How much time do we have left? 20 seconds. Okay, wait. Let's open up the markets. No, wait. Okay, no. Okay, Keeks, so it's now we're gonna wait for the lower range break. Eh? Am I
That
right
would
in
be the
saying that?
most ideal.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And otherwise, what we're gonna wait for, if it's in between that, we're gonna wait for the upper range break. Am I right? Yeah. Okay, there you go.
All right, guys. For the last time, it is round 10. Ding, 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 ding. Fight. Let's see, Chad.
Sheesh, bro,
Can
we're
we bring it on?
We're gonna be buying, my bro. 20. My US30 is frozen on TradingView.
One of mine are frozen, the other one's not frozen.
No, mine's frozen.
Oh,
Short, my bro.
boy. This is not what we want right now.
Okay.
Now, you see, this is the problem because it's moving on my MetaTrader, so I can see it moving.
Yeah, but I don't know where we are in the range now.
Yeah.
Chat, is anyone else's TradingView is chalked, my bro? Yeah, my trade. Dude, I don't know what to do now. When is the candle closing? Candle has
Well,
closed.
where it's closed.
We're supposed to buy.
I don't think we would have bought, bro, because it closed literally where it opened, basically. So I don't think we would have bought yet.
I think I should have bought though. Yo, I think it's lagging. It's chalk house, my bro. Is it lagging on your side as well?
Yeah.
Dude, I think we should have bought already, eh? If I'm honest with you. Yeah,
I don't think so yet. Not yet, bro.
we missed it.
No, we didn't.
Yeah. What is TradingView doing? It seems even gold is lagging on TradingView. I know gold's just not moving.
My thing is, there's two candles already.
Okay, I feel you. Okay.
So the big thing is we're
Sure, we
going to
would've-
see what this... Yeah, so
Yeah,
yes, you would have been
I
in
hear
profit,
you.
but we
I
shouldn't
hear
have
you.
bought yet.
No, I hear you. We should have waited for the range break back in.
Yeah.
Or, okay, I feel you. Sorry, my mistake.
Yeah.
But my trading view is chalked, so I don't even know where we are in the range though.
Yeah,
So we're not even gonna know where we are.
This is going to be a bit like a...
Yo, bro, that is actually not good. I'm gonna try and get another US30 on you. I think it's actually with that provider. Do we have a Wanda? Yeah. Just gonna check quickly here again. Chat, is anyone else lagging? Just let me know. Yes, the devil is a liar. US 30. Let's get another US 30 on here quickly. Is Blackpool still a thing? Let's check if we can get Blackpool on here.
Some time
Okay,
frames I see a little bit of a move, and
Blackpool is working, eh? Go over to Blackpool. I want to go over to Blackpool now. It takes me back to Owanda. Okay, our kicks rejected there. Go Blackpool.
I am on Blackpool.
Alright. I see what you see. You see what I see?
There you go.
ICT. Alright, chat, it's getting sweaty in here. It is a sweatshop. Boys are sweating in here. Keg's actually better if it even breaks the lower band. Alrighty. Only Awanda's frozen. Yeah, Blackpool is working, guys. Go over to Blackpool. Alrighty. Numbers are slightly different, Peter, but I think just in general price movement, that's what we're looking at. So we're looking at certain levels. Your internet is chalked, my bro. Mine's also lagging. A strong zap. Hope everyone's well. G's and chat down for the week here for vibes. Stacks Capital, beautiful. Some of us still need to eat, my bro. My family is hungry. Yo, this one's gonna be spicy, my guy.
Yeah.
This one is gonna be spicy, Chad.
You know what I'm waiting for, eh?
Yeah.
Yeah. If we get that,
Are you gonna be happy with just a pure break, or do you want to retest first?
pure break.
Pure break, okay.
break.
So purist here today. Pure. Are you pure?
Testing a theory, yeah, Chad.
Sheesh. Alright, chat a little bit slower. Usually on the cracker we would have
But I think markets also moving slower.
yeah, our markets are a little bit. Remember, Michigan is a big one, eh? Don't forget Michigan can do some work here this afternoon. Michigan. What do you know about that Michigan life?
Come on, just give us the entry.
Chad, give me a 1 if you had a terrible week and you're going to try and turn your week around with one trade today. Give me a 1 in the chat. I just want to see who's those people. Minus Chris had a podcast with Andy Steele Smith at 1 today. Oh, Minus Lennon. Which podcast? Okay. Chad, I've been there. And I just want to let you know, you're not going to turn around a bad week of trading on a Friday this late. I'm just letting you know. So that usually ends in tears. The probability is better for you to call it a week. Bro, I need to get water. I've been talking this entire day. Oh, give me 1 sec.
Yeah, Chad, we're not in yet, eh? Just remember, we will tell you when we're in, but yeah, not in yet. Remember, we said this yesterday. That's the thing about this new way we're going to try have a look at trading it. It might have to make us wait a bit more. Even when you're in the trade, who knows, you might wait a bit more. But yeah, I think we will also catch a lot more solid moves and maybe even bigger moves. We just have to see at it. Did it, bro. Yeah, we're still waiting on Chad. So I'm obviously watching. I've got all the charts. I've got charts there, chart there. I've got the terminal open. So I can't really see the chat right now, just while I'm waiting. But we still waiting here patiently. We're not in anything yet. Still not in, guys. Not in here, bro.
Oh. Almost the end of that light. 588. Let's reimburse.
Okay, yeah.
Alright, Chad, new 5 liter to the weekend. Damn, okay, this thing is pretty full. Alrighty. A little splash and a dab. It's getting messy here today. Sheesh. Okay, Keegs, it's getting close, my boy.
You know, this is the one thing is though, bro. Like, that's what makes it tricky because technically, this could do what it did yesterday. Yesterday was bullish, the big sell off to that level, and then it bought again. That sold, went bullish to that level.
So you want to sell now?
No. Just like I'm thinking about it. Remember, and also we spoke about this. That you know what we're talking
Initial
about.
move is the manipulation.
Yeah, and this could just be the other way around now.
Where it's going to sell, but it breaks the range.
Like, remember we talking about, you know, the level we're talking about, and my thing is, like we spoke about, if it fails to break higher, then it's going to reject off that. But I think the big move's going to come, because you can see it's holding in that zone.
So you're not buying. What are you saying? I'm confused now.
I'm confusing myself now, bro, with this.
I think we buy it, bro.
I still like the bars.
I still dig the bars. It's just a case of where we're gonna get it. That range is at least not that wild. It's like a 60 yards. It's bearable. It's not gonna be. Chad, okay, get ready. Ooh, let's go, baby. Let's go. Giving you guys the old horse lip there, because those bars in gold were nice. Peter, you're trying to make me jealous here, because it's working. If you are trying it, it is working. It is working.
Yo, bro, this is just like, guys, are we going to let you enter yet?
Chad, sorry man, I'm going to get to the chat now. We're just at a critical point where we're about to potentially enter some trades. So I just want to lock it in here. Okay, Oanda's chalked, my dude. Even their gold feed is frozen now. Okay, 30 seconds, Chad. Keegs we're buying, eh? If it...
But it hasn't done anything yet.
No, but if
Yeah.
it... Okay. Chatadonia, baby. Yasin, dude, you're asking questions. Yeah, dude, I don't know what are you asking them, my bro? When I place positions, do my trades go through to the market with the buying, selling, exchange of? Yes, Yasin, unfortunately, if you trade with any one of the top 20 brokers in the world, your trades aren't going anywhere. Your trades are being warehoused. I've had a session on this. I'm not going to do a session on it again. Maybe later I'll do a video. But none of the big brokers that have enough liquidity send your trades through to anyone. It's the spot market. CFDs is an unregulated market, so your trades are going nowhere. Your trades are being warehoused. I've spoken about B-book operations. I've spoken about A-booking, counterparty, agent. For the guys that have been here, I'll do a video on it. But you can go onto a broker's website, go into their legal documents, go into their execution policies, and they will clearly state whether they are A booking or B booking. So look for the words counterparty or agent, all right? If they're saying counterparty, they are taking the other side of your trade. They're warehousing it. If they're just an agent, they're sending it to another big broker, which is taking the other side of it. So I'll actually do a complete video on the workings of brokers. There gold goes. Beautiful, beautiful.
Yeah, bro, this is close, but still not
Yeah,
in yet.
still not in. It's all stacks. It's all B-book. Any broker that's got enough liquidity is never gonna be an agent. XNACE, biggest retail broker in the world, B-books everything. If you sit with some of their directors, they'll tell you, we've got this beautiful hybrid model where we keep it market neutral. No, you don't. There's nothing hybrid about the model. IG Markets, publicly listed company on the FTSE, one of the biggest B-book. Even your stocks you buy are warehoused. Your stock holdings, is warehoused. So I hope that makes sense, brother. I'll do a video on it because a lot of guys don't necessarily know how brokers work, and it's maybe a good thing for people to actually know that there's nothing wrong with B booking, there's nothing wrong with A booking. There's something wrong if a broker is not regulated. That's the only thing that's wrong.
Come on.
Gold
give us
is
the bar.
ripping, my bro. Gold is rip.
Give us the bar.
Chad, I just want to quickly show them. Look how beautiful this is, guys. Remember what I you can use this as a support area, that all-time high level, and there it's going. But I'm not in it. I'm purely focusing on US 30-year. Cheers, Naz. The Naz. Ooh. Nazadelic. Shoo. Sweet.
You think it's maybe waiting a bit for that news?
I think it is waiting for the news. MCSI is big. It's a biggie. Guys underestimate the MCSI. Is Vault Funder A booking or B booking? It's Dreezy. What is it going to change in terms of your trading? That's all I want to know. Is FTMO A booking or B booking? Ask yourself that question. That would be lovely, Chris. Steinsberg, I'm going to do one. I'm actually going to do a video how to start your own broker as well. Actually going to do a video on that as well. Peter, you forgot that I've got a memory like an elephant. You were the one yesterday saying you expecting the gold weekly chart to turn bearish. I'm just saying, I'm not. You in the bars now? That's perfectly fine. I'm just saying. I know yesterday you were super bearish on gold, and we don't marry a bias, but I'm just saying. Okay. Yeah. No. It's. I don't expect it. Me now. If I'm very honest, if you go and watch my Sunday analysis, I was very bullish on gold this week. That's why I bought gold during CPI. I actually thought the move we're getting now on gold this was the move I expected during CPI. To be honest,
if we do our go back to our analysis, we actually said 2,500 this week.
Yes.
And we said we were anticipating for CPI, but definitely 2,500 was on the table this week.
I think it was Bevan or somebody that was in gold bars, and we still, was it Monday night or Tuesday night when he asked us, and we said the monthly R1.
2,550.
The monthly R1, let me just check where the monthly R1 is. Sorry, we actually said 2510. That's where the monthly R1 was. That's where we told Bev. Bev was like, no way. We said Bev 2510 monthly R1 most likely because we're holding above the monthly pivot. So I think we've officially entered the new bull cycle for gold. I think a lot of boys are going to get hurt in the next coming weeks trying to short this bad boy. Almost like that time when Rolio reviewed Mad Chart's signals. He was trying to sell. We were buying for like 2 weeks at the time of our lives. That man was just trying to sell. Clap, clap, clap. Little tip. A trend is more likely to continue than to reverse.
Yeah, bro.
I was just inquiring from an Islamic perspective, as some scholars. Okay. Oh, okay. I hear what you. Is it haram or what is it? I know. But I think Forex should be fine. I think you just need to have an Islamic account so you don't pay interest swaps, so swap-free account. I know the Islamic faith interest is not allowed, or it's not. Sorry if I'm saying it wrong. I don't know if it's a rum or there's a word for it. But I know that the Muslim faith interest is not something you're not allowed to earn interest, and I think you're also not allowed to earn interest.
Yo, bro, it's getting so close.
Yeah.
I think when it can do what we're waiting for, it's gonna run.
Yeah, day trading should be. Yeah, it's just the swaps. So you're not allowed to pay swaps if you're Muslim. I was actually. I asked the guy, how do they actually check whether somebody is really Muslim if they apply for what do they call it? Is it a Islamic or what? Anyways, that account, and I said there's the imam, or there's like almost like a spiritual leader that needs to sign off to say that you are Muslim.
Oh yes, yes.
Yeah, no, it's like a thing. You can't just say, hey, I want a swap-free account because I'm a swing trader. I've now become Muslim, so I don't pay swaps. You physically have to get like a letter.
Damn, I didn't even know that existed.
Yeah. Islamic account. Yeah, sorry, I don't know why I said Islam account. Sorry guys, apologies. I did this through IC Markets, Chris. Okay. Yeah, you get Islamic accounts. Why can't you pay swaps if you're Muslim? It's interest. You're not allowed to pay interest. It's part of, haram. Yeah, it's a haram for them to pay an interest.
Yo, come on.
And now all the swing traders are going to be like, hey bro, I'm Islamic. I was like, nah, my bro. Nee, dis is a legit thing, hoor. Dis soos, even with banks, even with FNB, there's Islamic accounts. It's not like it's been around. It's been like you can't invest into businesses that do like gambling, liquor. There's like a certain list of things you cannot, if you I don't want to even say extreme Muslim, but if you really walking according to your faith, Okay, Chad, but on this now, sorry man, on this. So are you telling me the boys, the Islam guys also don't pay interest on their cars? Because I see here Islamic vehicle finance. Chad, I'm just saying. We need to look at this. Sharia compliant vehicle and asset ijara. Lease financing. The Islamic banking base rate is 11. I don't know, so there is your... Okay, so you do pay... That's... Dude, I need to look into this.
Yo, bro, I feel like we're gonna wait here a while now by the looks of this.
Thunder, so are you telling me even when you finance a car, no interest? Hey, my bro. That's why all these Muslim oaks have these M3s and everything. No interest. Sheesh. No, I'm kidding. I'm kidding.
Chris is about to get us cancelled there.
Oh, dealer will just front load the... okay, so you add the interest and then you just have a straight pay down. Okay, I get you. A lot do, Chris. It's difficult to get a interest loan. Hey, bro, I don't know. I will do like a back-to-back deal with my Muslim brothers saying like, hey, dude, let's go buy that M5. Back-to-back deal. You get the no interest. I pay you monthly. Let's do business here. I see a lot of religious conversations in the future. That's good, dude. I think it's something that we must talk about. I don't know why we've come to a stage in the world where we're so scared of stepping on toes. How would we know these things if we don't talk about them? We must actually get a Muslim person on as well on the podcast. Chat about it.
We need brother Jev to confirm this one. Jev's not Muslim.
If we don't have these conversations, we'll never know. Some sheikhs rent forever as they don't want to pay interest. Oh, okay. It's called Murabaha, cost plus financing. Okay. Awanda seems to be back in sync. Let me check. Yeah, Chad, I've got a lot of Muslim friends. Like Eek, that's in the office that works with us. He's a Muslim. In the Cape Town office, there's even we still had a laugh today. There were separate fridges and microwaves. The one was the one for the Muslims, the halal one. I don't know exactly, but yeah, it's not something weird. There's okay, get ready. Get ready for still not Keeks. Yo, still not, eh? Am I right? Still not.
Still not.
Okay, but Blackpool one is different. Are you back on Awanda? It seems that yeah, Awanda's back. Okay, I'm gonna go back to Awanda now.
Yeah, okay. But even then, now that I'm back on Awanda, we still wouldn't have. But to be fair, bro, we would have already been in.
Say again?
Awanda, we would have been in.
On Awanda? No, not on my side.
It's got to get 332.
Oh, yeah, we would have been in. And we would have gotten clapped, eh?
We would have been in.
Yeah, we might have just survived it. So maybe it's even better now. Keeks, okay, we should be in now. I'm in.
No, we're not.
I'm in. Oh no, I'm Chad. Oh, it just pulled back. Okay, I want to go for it anyways. I'll add another one. Chad, I'm in.
So Chris is in.
I'm not supposed to be in, so I'm just letting you know. It actually rejected our level.
I must say I am liking it because technically that
MCSI
means
is
it's
not coming
tested and it's gone down, and technically even though it's come down, it's been building higher highs the whole time. It's looking strong to break it, so I'm ready, bro. I just want that closure above in the zone and I'm good to go.
Dude, and now I'm training into MCSI.
Yeah.
Chad. Flip sakes, I might need to close this bad boy.
That thing's either gonna make you some bags, bro.
Yeah, that wasn't the right. It just pulled back as I saw it.
Yeah, but for me now, think about it. Like, literally now, if this next candle does it, I have to enter on the news event.
That 1 minute. Okay, Chad. I'm in, guys. Just as
Have
a
it on your screen
disclaimer.
in the meantime, then if you're in. Because I'm waiting.
Chad Adonia. Okay, let me bring my screen on here. I might get clapped here.
Let's just hope that news comes out your
Yeah.
favor.
Chad, let me just reduce the size here for you guys, so you can see. There we go.
See if it teleports now to Chris's TP.
Sure, dude. 13 seconds. It's now, Chad. There it is. Ooh. Ooh, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay. Ooh. Let's see. What
It's
it's.
my end of frozen again. It should be in profits
Yeah,
though, bro.
yeah, it is.
But it should be in profits. You've gone up.
Yeah, beautiful. I'm just checking. Okay, I'm going back to. The thing is, the Blackpool one is only now at that zone.
Yeah. So I'm just gonna trade off Blackpool, bro. I can't
Okay.
see anything else, so I'm just gonna use Blackpool, and it keeps going down. I hope this thing doesn't run now without me.
I'm gonna actually enter another one because this is actually where I should have entered, Chad. 15 seconds. Let's see.
Come on, don't run without me. Don't run without me.
10.
Yo, bro, for me now, that's
What am
like...
I doing? I'm supposed to be getting out there.
Okay, I'm in. Yo, not where I'd want to flip and be in.
I'm actually supposed to enter now, but I'm already in a position. Okay. Let's check. What did the data come out as?
I have no clue, bro.
Oh, solid. Okay, Chad, beautiful, beautiful. Data coming out relatively strong here. Push, push, push. Give us one more push, push. One more. Give us a little trickle, trickle. So, okay, I'm out, Chad.
Are you
Beautiful,
ready, Dan?
beautiful, Chad. I'm out.
I'm bracing the storm here alone.
Okay, Chad. I'm out. I'm gonna throw back to Keegs.
In it to win it.
Right, back to Keegs. That I should have actually entered there, but I thought, why put risk back on the table?
Yeah. No, I think you made the right call, bro. Come on, come on. Come on, baby. We waited, yeah.
Dabs on dabs on dabs. Keegs, but technically,
Yeah. You know what I'm going to aim for.
now I was aiming there, but I'm actually thinking of entering another one.
Okay,
Because
yeah,
if you think about the original one, remember December. Are you telling me that we would have actually gotten clapped if the thing wasn't frozen?
I think so.
But now looking at Blackpool, it never closed above though.
Yeah.
That's my thing though. Which one is closer to 45.89, 45? Dude, I'm thinking we need to trade on Blackpool. I'm actually gonna delete Awanda now Because if I'm looking at it now, we should actually be Blackpool is the closest to what the actual price feed is on our terminals.
I get what you're saying.
Chat. So just as a side note, use Blackpool or active trades, active T trades. Don't use Oanda. Oanda is a scam. Oanda is scamming people, yeah.
Ding, 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 ding. We had break even so far. Come on, don't do this now.
Chat, I might enter again, eh? I'm looking for something specific here. I might just enter again. That let's call it that opening range high to the left kicks. If we hold that zone, because we've made a session high now, and we should retarget the session high. So I will let you guys know when I enter again.
I'm gonna take another 0.5% on it and just see what it does.
You take another 0.5%.
Yeah, 0.5%.
Maybe just adjust your average price then on the thing.
My average price.
So your average entry price has now changed. It's not up there anymore.
Yeah,
So it's in. So it's in between those two. So you need to pull your entry down, and your stops just where your stops are. Though.
Stop there. What to stop there? It looks alright. It looks how much then.
Is that your average price? The
Yeah.
middle between the two. Yeah. Let's check here. Sure, dude, it's coming for that 200 EMA.
Yeah.
Nasdaq is bouncing nicely from the low, so it's weird that Dow Jones is struggling here.
See, what does it look like on higher time frames?
It came back in the Asia range, tested Asia highs perfectly, now coming back lower again, so it's very, very odd. Very, very odd, yeah.
Yo, bro, we need to have a look at those indicators. Indicators getting so irritating for me now.
It needs to break the high for that to be valid, doesn't it? Otherwise, if it fails to break the high, it should come back down. Yes.
Yeah. Higher time frames, bro. This does look like this.
If
bearish now.
FP Markets, David H, thanks so much, brother. I'm going to look into it right now. FP Market. What is the symbol, the ticker there, my brother? If you would be so kind to let me know.
Bro, that was so close. But then again, that's now that it's been adjusted. That wasn't where it was.
What is the ticker for FP Markets? Yeah, Wanda is completely choked. Is it DGI? Is it US 30? Let me just check here. Yeah, Andre Forex, it's looking different. It's looking different. FP Markets. David H, if you can just let me know, my brother. I'll appreciate it. Is it called US 30? FP Markets, I'm not even seeing. Oh, there's an index. That's the cash index. Let's check quickly. 4521. Oh yeah, you're right. Okay, chat. Beautiful. Okay, beautiful. Thanks, David. Thanks, David. I got it. Chat. I'll let you guys know which one we're gonna use going forward.
Bro, this whole thing today with changing the ones and Black Bull and this one.
Yeah, I
and,
chalked it.
This confused the hell out of me today.
Keegs, I'm honest. We wouldn't have taken that initial one that we thought we would have taken with Oanda.
Yeah.
I'm gonna send you this one. It's Dow Jones Industrial Average Index FP Markets. It's literally to the point of what is on. Literally exactly the same.
Oh, it's ours.
Yeah.
Okay.
So I don't know if I can share this. I don't know if I can copy this. So we would have entered there where you entered. That was the right one, eh?
Oh, was it?
Yeah, that was the right one. And my entry was not even close. So I got lucky, if I'm honest, Chad. I got lucky. Yeah. I'm expecting somewhat of a range there, Keek. So yeah, I don't expect it to trend. Are you?
No, I don't think it'll be a big move, bro.
Are you done?
Yeah, I'm going to trading it after that, bro. For the position and the scale in and stop loss, that's me, bro.
Did anyone see Josh post on the Lambo? I can't. It blocked me. That might change your bias as well.
Yeah, USD still going. Bro, USD, this thing's still a bull run.
Oh, no, Oanda. Oh, dude, Oanda is... Keeks, I'm going to show you this one. So it's US30 FP markets. US30 FP markets. It's down at the bottom if you look at it. That's the one we should be using now. I've seen it
This
now.
one.
Let me just check on your screen. Go on the 1 minute quickly. Yeah. Alrighty. End of the week positive though.
Dude. Yeah, bro.
Can't complain. Can't complain. It was a good week. Keegan made some bags on CPI. I think overall it was a very, very good week. Very busy week. In terms of content, I told Mo this morning it was the first time in our channel's history where we had 4 live schedules. It was first Ed with Traders Next Door, then the opening bell, Andy for the Friday session, and now this session. So it's been honestly some, and we did our 500th video today, Keegs.
Oh, really? Damn.
So we're now officially on our way to 1,000 videos. 500 videos. So big shout out to you guys for supporting the channel as always. Yeah, and then yesterday getting to 11k, and today almost up another 200 subs. So just amazing. Just need to thank you guys for
Yo. No, bro, I think that is a station.
That's
today.
a session.
I'm not gonna take anything again now. End of the week.
Seshki.
I don't need to force anything.
Chris, have you ever used the liquidity heat map indicator, and what are your thoughts? Liquidity heat map indicator. Andrew, where do I find that? Liquidity, is it on TradingView? Or are you talking about bookmap? Book map. Liquidity heat map indicator. Sounds intense, my dude. Liquidity heat map. Big beluga. No. What I would rather use then is who said that? Andrew. Andrew, what I would rather use is your volume profiles. So if you wanna use something like that, I'll throw over to my chart now. If you wanna use an indicator to spot potential pockets of liquidity, let me just go over here. I would rather use this indicator. Let me do this visible range profile. So yeah. So what you do is, let's just do this. Make it 250. Doesn't really matter. 250. And then what you can do is on the 1 minute, you can do this. So just wait for it to load. Oh, it doesn't want to show on the. Oh, it's showing on the 1 minute. Okay, so it's only the ranges that are visible. So let's just take it from, let's say, this morning. All right. So then what you look is you look at the peaks. That's where the peak of the volume is sitting. All right. So then you can pull it across, and that's going to be your volume zone. And then this POC. This is obviously a big volume node as well. And then looking at the next trough, peak here at the bottom. This is going to be your next pocket of volume. So the idea would be is if it holds above a certain peak, this is usually where the volume is just going to slice through. This is a low volume node, right? So the idea is that that's where the impulse will happen, because once it fails there, there's not a lot of volume in this area, and that's why you get impulsive moves, because nobody's touching it. It's just literally the guy sliding down for the next move, and then after that, then you'll get some volume here again. So then you can zoom out a little bit further if you want to, and you're going to see this profile is going to change. And then you can see, okay, then the last bit of support is sitting here, and then after that, the volume just tapers off. Then you're almost going to get like you're going to need some air brakes. It's just going to start flushing down. All right, so I'm going to be honest with you. The liquidity heat map thing you showed, there's too much going on there. I just Googled it quickly. This, I would say, if you want to do something more concise, and not even precise, but just saying, okay, this is zones, and let's actually do this. Let's extend it right, let's extend it left, and then let's see if this volume profile actually shows us something that we can use. All right, let's do this quickly. Okay, and then we can hide that indicator. All right, let's look left here. Okay, there was definitely some volume there. There it broke below. Yeah, it held nicely. There's some rejection. All right, then holding there. Then some resistance there in the upper band. Okay, and now obviously rejected that upper band zone where the volume profile showed us, and then also showing us some nice rejection there, then pushing up. So technically now, just looking at the POC we had, is that if we hold here and we retest this, I might take another buy just for volume control here. Let's add to the R&D while we at it. Let's see here. 45 seconds, and then I'll also call it a day. Okay. It's saying that's a big no from me, dog. Doesn't Lorenzo use a volume strategy? I don't know. I used it years ago to almost identify zones, to not to buy from or sell from, but to identify these zones where the volume is going to happen, where the impulse is going to occur. So, all right, Chad, it's somewhat holding above it. Let's see if we can get one more bullish candle. Then I might swing for a little longitudinal trade here if it can get outside of this zone. Let's see. There's that 200 as well. That's why I'm looking for the buy potential. We go. When Chris says he's been through every strategy, yeah. Hey man, that's the beauty of trading. If you had some time on your hands and you really want to make it work, you're not gonna. Did I miss the giveaways? You didn't, trader. We'll do it on Monday. I promise. We've never not done a giveaway, so don't stress. We are gonna do it. It was just I literally since this morning. You can ask Keeks. I have not left this chair. It's been after the stream, into a meeting, into the podcast, into the stream. I literally have not left this chair. So the only thing is it's based on the comments, and I still needed to load the post. So we'll do it on Monday, I promise. You can ask anyone here. We've never not given away when we've promised to do a giveaway. So don't stress. Yes, Lorenzo does. There we go. Clinton. /Cakes, peace and love, 2Gs. Enjoy the weekend. Shot, my brother. Keeks, you want to wrap it up, my bro?
No, I'm done, bro. I thought you guys had a trade.
Now I'm going to wait. I don't know if you're in a rush. I just want to see what we do in this little zone here. Let's just see. What isn't that? Nasdaq's flipped bullish on the day. Hey, beautiful. Beautiful. US 30. Obviously mine of its own, yeah.
Yeah, for me, that's the thing, bro. When it's this type of choppiness, I don't want to be part of US 30. I don't like US 30 if it's moving like this.
No. Yeah, if this closes bearish, chat, I'm calling it. We can go full screen. 15 seconds. 15 seconds. Keeks left 21 minutes ago for the strategy. What is your usual stop loss? Lads, we always use 60 points. 60. And then for gold, it's anywhere between 32 and 15 pips. Ricardo, cheers, my brother. See you on Monday. Peace and love, cheese. Chat, have a great weekend. Be safe. Pip and dip. Chip and dip. 30 seconds. Yeah, I think that is. Wait. Still saying, Chris, don't leave me.
Weren't you waiting for the previous candle though?
I just want to see a breakout out of this little zone here. If it breaks lower, I don't trust the sells necessarily. Just purely on what Nas is doing. But if it breaks above the. But this is DJing, bro. I think it's DJing. Let's call it.
So my thing is, that's why I'm not going again, bro. Like, I don't chart moving cuck. Usually mustn't move like this. And it's weekend. Like, I don't need to ruin my weekend.
Yeah, I was lucky. I caught that little one. Caught the loss this morning on gold. So break even day for me. Not complaining. Had a good week. Had a very solid week. Much better than the previous 2 weeks. I told you guys in terms of trade management. My management wasn't phenomenal. A little bit all over the place, but this week I feel it was a clinical performance.
Yeah, no, definitely.
Chad, what you can do, Chad, if you guys haven't taken a trade, this is the zone. There's that 200. You can see that 200 there. You could get a nice trade here. Pull a little band here. Wait for something to break to the upside. If you really wanted to confirm the position, have it break outside, even maybe a little test and a rejection. Then you can take it back to Asia highs as a minimum, and then thereafter the previous daily high. All right, that's usually where we reject. Otherwise, what's going to happen is this thing's just going to die the rest of the day. But yeah, I'm thinking now, why put myself back on the risk train? Got to win. Beautiful. All right, Keeks, we are officially full screen, my bro. But we are now officially.
All right, guys. Yeah, not going to waste our time here. Market's not giving us what we want. As I say, you need to know when markets are moving caca and walk away. Because when you don't, I think that's when you're a proper DJ trader and you're not learning your lesson. We had a great week. I always say to guys, no need to stuff it up because of greed and things like that and give it back on a Friday. Like it's like a sporting weekend. You want to be in a good mood. So know when to call it quits and walk away. So very, very good week for us. Definitely no complaints this side. Got a little bit unlucky today, but as you say, definitely doesn't even put a dent in what we did this week. So finishing off strong. Chris, any closing remarks from you, bro?
Nazam, I want to chat to you. Sorry, like I said, today was just mad. But let's chat if you can over the weekend. That's going to be ideally better for me. But yeah, Keeks, I think phenomenal job this week with the CPI trade. Beautiful. That was awesome. Again, going, what is it? 8 0. Yeah, 8 for 8 Keeks. And then us, I feel personally, Chad, I'm very critical of myself. I feel like we really put on a good performance here. Me specifically for my trading, good decisions made. We had to have a lot of patience. Keegan will tell you this week was relatively slow, believe it or not.
Yeah.
This week was very slow. So, yeah, Chad, close your charts. Call it a weekend. Let's get refreshed and renewed for Monday. Go and relax. Go and review your trades of the week. Give yourself a rating out of 10. And then come in the next week with things that you want to improve. All right. Peace and love, baby.
Peace and love, guys. Cheers.